Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Almighty Allah deserve to be praised only. Almost all of you are mostly and humbly welcome in my online class. In my previous class, I have delivered two legendary figures speeches. One was the founder father of Bangladesh, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, and another was Nelson Mandela. Now, I would like to mention the achievement of two ladies, especially these two ladies are extraordinary women all over the world. You know, this has been come from Unit on Lesson 3 entitled Two Women. Extraordinary achievement of two women. We know that. First one is Valentina Tereshkova, who was a Russian woman, but on the other hand, she also the first cosmonaut among the ladies after Yuri Gagarin. Soviet Russia wanted to send a woman on moon, and at that time, after a obtaining long process, Valentina Tereshkova was selected, and his achievement is today's topics. Valentina Tereshkova was born 6 March in 1937. His father was a tractor driver, her father was a tractor driver and her mother also a textile worker. At the early age, she started school in 1945, but unfortunately, he was bound to stop, or he was dropped out after 8 years, that is, at the age of 8, 1953, and he joined with her mother as a textile worker, but her aim, her desire, her cherished and nourished desire was to learn more and more. So, he attended a distance learning which has been entitled in our country Bangladesh Open University, BUB, Bangladesh Open University. Now, Valentina Tereshkova was the second traveler on space after Yuri Gagarin. In 1961, Soviet Union decided to send women in space. On 16 February 1962, Valentina Tereshkova was selected among 400 ladies, and she maintained almost all the categories, all the process for which he may landed on the surface as an astronaut. He also maintained weightlift, airlift, and also engineering expertise. His successful spacecraft Vostok 5 on 14 June in 1963, Tereshkova began preparing for her own flight On morning of 16 June in 63, Tereskova and her backup cosmonaut were dressed in space and taken to the space shuttle such by a barge. After completing her communication in his life support jacket checks, she sailed inside Vostok 6, finishing 2 hours countdown. Vostok 6 launched faultlessly. Especially her journey was faultless and he was totally and fully in leisure for 3 days on earth. None could sin alone 3 days on earth. Tereskova also maintained a flight long and took photograph of horizon. Especially she didn't go there only, but he took photographs also. Vostok 6 was final Vostok flight and was launched 2 days after Vostok 5, which carried Valery Bykovy into a similar other 5 days, landing 3 hours after Tereskova. Especially the another went there, but he was earlier launch crafter. Later on, in 1977, Tereskova earned a doctorate in engineering from Zhukovsky Air Force Academy after she turned to politicians and during his Soviet reign became one of the presidium members of the Soviet Union, Supreme Soviet. Now his living legend is a member in the lower house of Russian legislature. Especially, we know that some people or some students are sent to speak that, sir, we are from poor family, we are from working class family, so how can I maintain or how can I go there or how can I enrich myself? But it is not a factor. If we have will force of our demand, our dream, then a day will come when almost all of the dreams were successful. Especially Valentina Tereskova is one of the prominent example of the world history. So we should not forget that we are a working class family, we are from a poor family, or we are poor guy. We should be maintained that we are human being. We have to reach in our goal. So, my dear student, your broader sense, your broader outlook will help you to reach your expected goal. Thanks a lot. Till then, Allah Hafiz.